Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Infinite Beauty, and today I am back with a unboxing and kind of like swatch video. Sorry, I have been kind of MIA. I've been sick with like bronchitis, and I'm just now feeling more myself to do a video. So let's get into it. So I had purchased some cosmetics from a company called Andy Candy Makeup, and I have been looking for some neon pigments, and they do sell neon pigments. I got this company from a friend that I also follow on Instagram. I'll be sure to link her page down below. But here's the box, and it comes with a card that says Andy Candy Makeup, and it tells you about the owner and where they're from. They're based out of Florida, and that's the back of it, and it's backwards. I'm filming on my phone camera. And I also have like a little handwritten note, which I thought was really cute and really special. It just says, "Thank you for the support," and then he signed it. Really cute. I will be saving that. And again, I did purchase this with my own money. It was not sent to me in a PR box or anything like that. And here's pigment. Two I've already opened because I was so excited to get. And it comes wrapped like this. I'll show you the two right here. This one right here, not sure if you can be able to tell. It's like a neon yellow, and this name is Limoncello. And let me open it. And it comes sealed with this on each one as well. Which can be kind of hard to get off. And that's the color right there. And let's see. Let's do like that. That's the yellow one. Need paper towel because when you open them, they are a little bit messy, and they are like super bright. I should have brought the trash can in here. So that was the yellow one. I think I got all of their neon pigments, which are like 7 of them. And I had already opened up this purple. Not sure if you can tell. And its color is Berry Cute. Like, if there was an easier way to get this like seal off, it probably wouldn't be as messy, because as you can see, when you're trying to peel it off, you also get the pigment on your hand. So let's watch that. A little bit more. That's one. Whenever it's easier to do with a brush. I don't know. This one I haven't opened. And it also comes originally with the plastic over it. And this one is a hot pink color. And the name is Little Pony. Let's see if I can use a brush with it. Ooh, that is so pretty. And look like it will stain your brushes. But love the color. Love the color. Next one is like between like a pink red type of color. Very unique color. And this one's called Pinkie Pie. So let's put that next to that. Oh my gosh. It is so much more vibrant than what my camera is showing up. Like, that is insane. Insane pigmentation. Yeah, I'm just cleaning my brush off as I go. So with these, I probably would do my eyes first. I normally do. And because you don't want these bright neon pigments to fall all over your foundation, because then you will be looking like a fluorescent clown. So now it's like a orange color. And this one is called Bleeding Heart. And I'm going to put this next to the yellow. So that's Bleeding Heart right there. And so much pigmentation. It's all over my fingers, which is messy, but it's a loose pigment and it's insanely pigmented. And my video that I will be doing will be using these neon pigments to do like a review demo. Well, not a review, but a demo, whatever. And here is a green. And I did get one pressed glitter from them. It was color that caught my eye, and I'll swatch that in this video too. And the green is called Unearthly Creature. Yeah. So gonna have to wash my hands with this. Okay, now let's put it right here. Unearthly Creature right there. That's the green. That is crazy. Crazy pigmented. Oh my gosh. Like, if you can see my shirt right now, I look like tie-dye shirt. It's insane how crazy pigmented this is. And now that was the last of them. Yes. Oh no. I have one more. Okay. Yeah. One more. Oh goodness. I wish somebody would come up with like a neon blue. Andy Candy Makeup, if you can come up with the neon blue, I would so appreciate that. I so want one. But I can't seem to find one like anywhere. And this one's called Jimmy Juice. It's like a orange color. It might be brighter than that previous orange we did. So, find my brush. I'm going to, ooh, let's see. Let's just put it right here. Oh yeah, that's way bright. Way bright. That's Jimmy Juice right there. Way bright. And my camera is still not picking up how vibrant these are. Not in real life. Have to still get a new camera, which I'm working on, but I'm just starting out. No money. Broke. single mother working on her phone camera. So now is the time to do the glitter. And this one's called Fairy. It's their So Sweet pressed glitter. And it comes in like a cute little package like this, and you push it out. And it's like that. That's the glitter. And take my finger and like that. And that is the glitter. It's like a baby lavender, baby blue reflex, and some gold, and a little bit like of a mint green. It's very, very, very pretty. And I have an eyeshadow that would go perfectly with this, which will be in a tutorial soon. So yeah, that's my swatch review of Andy Candy makeup on their neon pigments. I got all of them. Shipping was about 3 to 4 days, if that. And yeah, I can't wait to see what they look like on the eyes. So stay tuned for a video on that, which I will be doing right after this one. And so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and share and like the video, and let me know what you would like to see swatched next. So bye guys.